Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Brown color, blue color, black color, dark blue color, yellow color, orange color, white color and red color. Let's draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for leaf. M for monster. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's learn some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A, B, C, D, E, F, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20